I'm out here at beautiful Pacifica at a popular surfing beach, but I'm here to see if I can catch some crabs instead of catching waves. For my setup, I'm using a 15-foot big water ugly stick. I don't recommend this for everybody. It's a really heavy rod, but the lure weighting on this is 10 ounce, and I use it for my heavy snares. My reel is a Penn Spinfisher 6 8500. It's water resistant but not waterproof, and I'm lined it with a 50-pound Power Pro braid. My snare of choice is an 8-ounce Gladiator snare. It's a good all-around snare. It's designed for far casting. If you can cast farther, you can cover more water. And for the bait, I'm just using squid, and you can't go wrong with squid. That is the south side of the beach, which I'm staying away from because there's so many surfers and I don't want to hit anybody with a 8-ounce snare. So I'm gonna stay on the north side, which is less crowded. When I'm reading the water, I'm looking for dark water. Dark water means deeper water. Deeper water means calmer, which is easier for the crabs to move around in. If you don't know how to read the water, look for an experienced surfer, and they know how to read the water, and they'll show you where all the riptides are at.
This little fisherman gave me this nice perch. Asked me if I wanted it. I was like, yeah, I'll take it. Pretty good size. I'm gonna keep the fish. I'm gonna cut the tail right there. And then break the spine, and it'll bleed out just like
Got one. That's it? Huh?
beautiful.
I don't think she's a keeper. She's too small.
Look at that, Joey.
Yeah. It's a female.
Yeah.
You can tell. I didn't know there was crabs out here, so I just want to try it out. They're out there. Yeah.
Catch anything else?
Somebody gave me a fish.
Oh, that's cool.
Want to see it?
That's really cool.
Yeah, you can tell if it's a female when by their apron. If it's wide like this, that's a female. But if it's like skinny, it's a male.
That's so cool.
Yeah. But we usually let the females go because they make all the eggs and the babies and stuff, so they can reproduce.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks for showing
She's
us.
hungry though.
Yeah. Trying to look for a boyfriend, so. All right. Get you. Keeper. Come on, baby. Another small one. Female. Another one. Doesn't feel that big. A lot of action though. Crab every pull.
big boy is that? I don't think he's going to be a keeper. Nope, short. Very short. Legs on him, but I gotta let him go. Next time, buddy. Come on, baby, be a keeper. Feels heavy. Oh, I lost him. Oh no, he's still there. Some male. I don't think he's a keeper. If you don't mind the crowds, it's not too bad. There's a lot of action here. Haven't got any keepers yet, but catching a lot. Any luck? Three? I caught a bunch over there, but they're all small.
Yeah, they're a lot of short ones and females.
Yeah. Something big. Come on, baby. Be a good crab. Be a keeper. It feels heavy. Come on. Oh, no, he's on there. Whew. Get you in my video.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Sam.
Have a good one. Thank you.
Snare. All right, brother.
All right, brother. Have a good one. Thank you.
So I'm gonna call it. We'll go home. It's starting to get really windy and the waves are getting a little rough. So that's that. Another beach on the list. Well, that's it. No keepers. That's how it is sometimes. Sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. We just gotta keep coming back. And I'll be back.
Restaurant is being called one of the coolest locations in the world, and it actually is. Business Insider put out a list of the coolest Taco Bells in the world. The Taco Bell Cantina in Pacifica, #1.
Crown 4's Amanda Harry is there. She was talking.